Okay, so for this lab, in room 1, we're going to be demonstrating how different body part thicknesses affect scatter. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a 14 by 17 and you're going to get a wire mesh tool. What you're going to do is you're going to place the wire mesh right on top of your 14 by 17 and you're just going to tape it in all the corners so that it's nice and flat and flush up against your IR, okay? Well, I already have one set up here for you. So after that, your instructions say, using the IR holder, place the IR with the wire mesh in the holder and place it 5 inches using a ruler from the phantom body part. So here's your IR, and then here's your part. So your part is going to have a 40-inch SID, and your part is what's going to be in the beam. So you have the beam here. You're not going to have the beam pointing to the IR, and there's no IR below your body part. You want to build up your part so that it's in the center of your IR, so that's not down on the bottom or up above. You want it to be up in the center. You want to place your marker up in this corner here of your plate. Once you have everything set up like this, then you're going to go back and you're going to use the technique on the technique chart based on the body part that's given to your group. You want to use the calipers to measure your part, and you're going to measure your part this way, top to bottom. You're not going to measure it lengthwise, you're going to measure it this way, and you're going to record how many centimeters your part is. You're going to record that onto your lab summary sheet. Once you have taken the exposure of your part, you will grab your IR, make sure you remove all of the tape from the IR, and then we're going to run it into the CR reader and see how much scatter we got that came off of this part and hit our IR.
All right, so for in room 2, we're going to be doing the KVP and showing the effect that KVP has on scatter. So we're going to use the knee phantom 10 by 12, and we're going to do the collimation and 8 by 10, so we can see what it looks like on the outside. You're going to center, we don't have to have exact centering, just somewhere in the middle of where the patella is. Make sure that you include your marker on there. Use the little sponges to support it. And then you're going to have two different KVPs. So one will be high, one will be low. So you may be doing like one will be like maybe a 40 and a 70, a 50 and a 90, a 60 and a 100. So we're going to be doing different ones like that to show the difference. When we run them, because we have the collimation, hopefully it'll show, you can see if there's any kind of scatter that's gone outside of the actual collimation. So that's what we're going to be looking through. So then we'll use all the numbers together to be able to answer our summary sheet.